Hi everyone, welcome to Rollout Savings. I'm Danielle and I am here with your 5 off 25 Saturday deals for June 14th. Up first, today is June 13th, Friday, and our clearance sale does start today and runs through the 19th. If you missed our clearance coupon matchups, you can find them on our channel here. This is the thumbnail you would look for, but I will link it down below in the description box for you. I have put out our cheat sheet in that clearance coupon matchup video, but if you missed that, I will have that linked down below again as well. This is a great tool to have when you are shopping in store. It helps you find a quick substitution for something that may be out of stock, and it's also a great tool to help you build your own deals while keeping your out-of-pocket as low as possible. So again, that will be linked below for you along with that clearance coupon matchup video. If you do not have Fetch Rewards, you can download it and use this code when you download it. We do have some deals that have Fetch Rewards in them, so let's hop into our deals. For $14.40, you're going to get your Tide, your Lysol laundry, and your Snuggle softener. Again, that's going to be $14.40. This is all before tax. Make sure you are scanning with your Dollar General app to make sure coupons are attaching. For $11.75, we're going to get 2 of the Clorox wipes, the Palmolive dish detergent, and the Airwick Essential Mist Starter Kit, and that will be $11.75. This next deal here is a Gain deal for $18.90. You're going to buy 4 of the Gain Flings, the Gain Softener, that's that large size, and the Clorox Bleach. That will be $18.90. And as always, our deals do not include tax because everybody's tax varies. For $10.10, you're going to get 2 of the Scott Comfort Plus toilet paper, the Scott paper towels, the Advanced Warmer, the Mr. Clean Eraser, the Febreze car clip, and what's not pictured here is a Crest Pro Health. That's the $1 one to account for that instant savings on the Scott. This next deal is a baby deal for $19.25. You're going to get 2 of the pull-ups and the Huggies wipes. This is the large pack of wipes. Now, I do not have this coupon in my account for the $1 off the Huggies wipes, but Ange did. And you're going to also have a cash back offer on that. You can get any of the $6.75 size wipes as long as they're attaching to the coupons. For $7.75, you're going to get the Dove Men Care deodorant, body wash, the Oral-B toothbrushes, the Crest toothpaste, and don't forget 2 of the Garnier. You can mix and match on those any way you prefer. That'll be $7.75. For $9.35, you're going to get the Crest Pro Health, 2 of the Crest Kids, and 2 of the Crest 3D White, and this is the Brilliance. Get back the 8 off 801 for your next purchase with this one as well. Then we have $11.85. You're going to get your Suave deodorant, your soft soap body wash, Irish Spring body wash, a Suave men's body wash, and you're also going to get 2 of the whole blends. Mix and match how you please on that. When working with this deal, you're going to want to bring up that Suave body wash first for the deal to work correctly. This next deal is $14.50. You're going to get 2 of the Always nighttime underwear and the Tampax tampons. Again, that's going to be $14.50 out of pocket, but you will earn back the 8 off 801 for your next purchase. This deal is $14.50. You're going to get 2 of the Always liners and 3 of the Tampax tampons that you see here. Again, $14.50, but you're going to earn back that 8 off 801, making it like you're paying $6.50. And on this deal here, you're going to pay $15.80. You're going to get 4 of the General Mills cereals, 2 of the Old El Paso tortillas, the Old El Paso cheesy Mexican rice, 2 of the Pillsbury cinnamon rolls, and a magic eraser. $15.80 is your out of pocket, but there's more. As you can see here, you're going to use all the coupons that you see there. We have cash back, and you're going to scan this into Fetch to get back up to 2,900 points on that deal. For this deal, it's $17.50. You're going to get 2 of the Totino's pizza rolls. Then you're going to get 3 of the Sprite 12 packs. And you're going to pay $17.50, but you can scan this one into Fetch Rewards as well. You can scan any receipt into Fetch Rewards. You'll get 25 points back if there's no other offers available, just in case you did not know that. And this deal here is $19.50. You're going to get 4 of the General Mills, 2 of the Tyson. There's 2 different Tyson chickens there. The McCormick, I almost said Mr. Clean, the McCormick sea salt grinder, and the Lipton tea, plus 2 of the Doritos. And as you can see, there's also cashback offers here. I do apologize for this video being so late. We are having issues uploading and saving the file. But we are here now, so make sure you watch out for our live tonight. Leave me a comment. Let me know if you're going to be doing some Saturday deals or if you're just going to focus on clearance shopping. Make sure you give me a thumbs up. Be sure to share so your friends and family can save as well. And make sure you're following us in all the places you see here, which is Facebook, rolloutsavings.com, and Telegram. And again, I want to apologize for the lateness of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. I'll be back soon with the next big deal. Bye!